I feel honored to be part of this organization and to have such great people working for Home Care Delivered. The one thing I have done is every role in this organization, now some of these roles are much bigger today than when I did them, I've performed every role in the organization, and I realize the challenges that each role presents to the person that works in that department. And every single role in this company is so important. And if you think about at a 100,000-foot view, a customer calls up, orders some product, doorbell rings, they receive it, and everybody's happy. But it doesn't work that way. There are about 10 microtransactions that have to occur, and those 10 microtransactions have 10 different departments with people working in them. And if you take one of them out, the doorbell doesn't ring.
I mean, 100%. I have a lot to take care of, and I do my best to let me do. And if I don't have the stuff I need, I can't do it, and that will just rush you down.
My name is Jessica Simpkins. I work here at Home Care Delivered, working with different nurses, director of nurses at different facilities throughout Ohio. And I really, what I do on a daily basis is really to try to bring them into our culture as a company here. Let them know how we're different than the other businesses out there in our field, trying to provide disposable supplies, and really just kind of let them know how we're different, how we're unique, and how we really focus on taking care of the patients that we set up here.
It's my privilege to run the new patient services department here at HCD, and our new patient services coordinators have one very important task, and that's to make sure that every aspect of each patient's first order goes as smoothly as possible.
I handle all of the aspects of a patient's first order. So when a patient calls in or a caregiver calls in, they would give me the information about the patient so that we can contact them and discuss our services, find the appropriate product that they're going to be needing to manage their condition, and get them set up with their order.
So it's our job to make sure that the doctors receive the paperwork we had faxed, to find out what the usual turnover time is for paperwork, since the doctors do have other patients to look out for, and to make sure that they fill out the paperwork as required by the insurance compliance regulations.
I mostly do the commercial insurances for our patients. So my job mostly is to make sure that the insurance companies processes the claims correctly for our patients. And if there is any problem or if there is any issue, I try to resolve that and try to get the claim processed in a perfect way.
I currently hold the position of Director of Distribution, which basically means I get the orders out the door to our patients as fast as we can.
I'm the engineer, if you will. Keep the engine running. So build the technology that lets us, track the folks that refer patients to us, and then track those patients as they come into our system. What products are we putting them in? What kind of documentation we need to be able to bill for those services. Make sure all that happens when it's supposed to happen. That we don't come in with a lot of ego. We don't come in with a lot of politics. We're about getting the job done, getting it done well. And whoever comes up with the idea, whoever's got the interesting concept, we're going to gravitate toward that. We allow folks to basically compete in a marketplace of ideas. And so hopefully, and we work very hard at this, what we've got is an environment that fosters participation, that fosters people feeling like, hey, this is my company. I buy into what Home Care Delivered is all about, and I'm listened to. So I'm going to come forward with ideas, and I'm going to come forward with, when a patient has an issue or a problem that we've solved in a great way, I'm going to bring that forward